What exciting adventures will we choose?
This is one of the window rooms on the 12th floor, 12104. And as you can see, it's got the lovely angled window at the front of the room. Bathroom, just exactly the same as all the bathrooms. This one has the big closet. Again with the safe and the shelves. The generic dressing table and mirror. There's a hairdryer hidden under that desk nook. The desk nook has all kinds of plugins. Nice mirror with lighting. Again, there's a switch to turn on and off the lights. And a shelf there. There's a good size fridge for a mini bar, and there's another door here to a good sized shelving unit underneath. A little stool, the side tables, the bed is sideways in the room. Oh, a couple of deep shelves underneath the TV table on this room. And a little shelf over the TV. That's kind of cool. And it's got a long shelf at an angle under the window. I'm sure you could put a lot of stuff on there, but it's also got a big storage place under this angled area in the room. So this room has tons of storage compared to ours.
We're retired, it's time to cruise. Where will we go next? What will we see? What exciting adventures will we choose? We'll make new friends and make some plans. We'll post videos